Let's make fig leaves for two. I tried looking this drink up online. There were a lot of websites that talked about fig leaves and using them in cocktails, but none of them were this drink in particular. Fig leaves for two. And I got it from the Standard Cocktail Guide by Crosby, Gaige. And this book was published in 1944, and it's very bare bones. It's got recipes and recipes, and a little bit of background and a little bit of instructions. So the instructions it gives basically are, do not deviate for the recipe unless you're an elite bartender. I'm not an elite bartender, so I'm not going to deviate for the recipe. And put the ingredients in the shaker or in the stirring glass in order as specified in the book. So that's what I'm going to do. Other than that, I don't have much to say about this cocktail. If you know more about fig leaves for two, leave it in the comments down below, a resource of some sort, so I can look it up. A note on the rum. Gaige does specify a white rum for this drink. And there are no additional signifiers beyond that, so just any white rum. Since this is a classic cocktail, I expect you're going to want to use a nicer white rum. I'm going to be using Plantation 3 Stars, but use a white rum that you like, and if you find one that works great in this cocktail, let me know what it is in the comments down below. To make this drink, we are going to make it in the order that Crosby Gaige does specify, so that means I'm going to start with 1 jigger, which is an old-timey measuring unit that is 1.5 ounces, and that's going to be a sweet vermouth. 1.5 ounces, sweet vermouth, 45 milliliters, 1 jigger. Get all those units, there'll be a test later. Half a jigger of your white rum. Since a jigger is 1.5 milliliters, that's going to be 3/4 of an, since a jigger is 1.5 ounces, that's going to be, half a jigger is then going to be 3/4 of an ounce of your white rum, which is 22.5 milliliters. I hate having to do math in my head. Next, juice of half a lime. Crosby Gaige does give a specific measurement for a full lemon, which is 1.5 ounces. So half of a lemon would be 3/4 of an ounce. He doesn't give specific measurements for a lime, so I'm going to assume it's the same as a lemon, and so that's going to be 3/4 of an ounce of your lime juice, which is what you put in your drink. Lime juice, 3/4 of an ounce, 22.5 milliliters. Long way to get there. And finally, some Angostura bitters. Total of 2 dashes. So that's 1, and then 1 for the gnome. We're going to add some ice, and we're going to give this a shake. There is no glass listed in the book. It said choose the appropriate glassware. I'm using an Anderson Ancestral Coupe. You can use any glass that fits this amount of liquid, which is 3 1/3 ounces. That fits perfectly in my coupe. And I'm going to double strain into the glass. And that is a beautiful color. And no garnish is listed, so I'll leave it up to you elite bartenders, to put a garnish on this. I'm not going to put one. So there you have it. Fig leaves for two. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day. I'm going to go back to this. What is the fig leaves for two? Where does it come from? Let me know in the comments down below if you know more. I'd love a resource so I can learn as much as I can. Note there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. You can have a t-shirt. If you want a t-shirt, contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. While you're at that social media link, or all of them, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.